So of all the men that came to show interest in you, the person you chose is the son of a hunter.
I'm pregnant.
You what?
Tell me who's responsible, and I'll make sure the person doesn't see the light of day.
What is the name of the man that got you pregnant?
Who else if not the fine Baba we have in this palace now?
I want that boy severely punished for what he did to my daughter.
Don't make me, please. Take him away.
Everything in this palace will soon be taken away.
No daughter of mine will bring this kind of disgrace and disrepute to me.
I can't get the way that he is now, Baba.
Shut up! Don't tell me that nonsense again. If I did do all this, would I be who you are?
Your mother told me you are not feeling fine, so I decided to check up on you.
Isn't it weird for you to go after a lady who doesn't want you?
Do whatever you can to help that my daughter. She's our only child.
I just want you and nobody else.
How do you want to this girl at this palace? Or you Nanga shine in your condo?
Go to your father's palace and sleep with virtually everything on skirts and not in my palace. Until you stop this stupidity and madness in you and get married to the prince.
This was the exact pain I felt when I lost your father.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that you have lost your respect.
Princess, I told you this plan would not work, but you insisted.
I've done despicable things, which I'm not proud of, and I'm regretting it.
I love you and the princess being together. You people are a perfect match. But I did not expect you taking that relationship to the next level.
Listen, I will protect you.
How can you protect me when we have turned the palace upside down?
I got wago eyeball to eyeball.
We could not let them take me off. Mama, are you not ashamed of yourself?
What is wrong with you? I ask, what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
How dare you disrupt my moment? It's your drug, Emma. Eh? What is all this? Anyway, I don't blame you. I blame myself for caring too much into raising you to the man that you are today. If I had gone to my father's house when I lost my husband, will you have the time to judge and insult me? Would you have had a life?
You know you're very shameless. It's not enough that people all over the village know you are sleeping with everybody's husband.
I saw!
It is now for you to bring them into the house.
Would you have had a life?
I should live your life.
Yes!
I should leave your house,
my
Mama.
house. Let me live my life. How can anybody here? You're here counting all the men that came into my house. If I didn't do all this, would I be who you are? Would you have had a life?
When you embarrass me like this, do you think about my feelings? What is wrong with you? Also, you have been whining on a villager. I can't get the way that he is now, Bob.
Shut up. Don't tell me that nonsense again.
I will leave your house, but you give me some time.
You will leave.
I will leave.
If I get back to where I was very young.
But you must end this.
It will not
end.
You
must end it.
Why you can't catch it? Come here again.
Now what are killing us at a week?
Nonsense. Do you know how you feed?
You ate it.
How I feed? You wear the clothes from Akuna. I feed you from the Akuna. And you're calling me Akuna. Eh? From all those men, that is why I get the money to feed you.
I don't want it again. I don't want your Akuna.
Leave. In a real Akuna. But them can't jira by Akuna. Now what they going to again?
I got the one I did.
Baby, are you alright?
Yes, Mom. I'm fine.
So why are you not eating?
Mother, I just feel some kind of way. I guess it's the weather. You know I'm really not good with this Hamatan.
Same here, my dear. I don't like Hamatan either. But what can we do? It's just the weather. It comes and goes. And soon, this one will also pass.
Thank you, Daddy.
Now, cheer up and eat your food.
What exactly is wrong with you? Are you okay?
Mother, I don't know. Since I woke up this morning, my stomach I've been having a stomach upset. I don't know.
Could it be stomach flu? And I have to call our family doctor immediately.
Daddy, is that necessary?
Oh yes. There's no way we can fold our arms and watch you without doing something.
Sweetheart, you are our only child. So we can't allow anything to happen to you. It will be wise for the doctor to have a check on you, okay?
Your mother is right. I will place the call immediately.
Please call the doctor. You'll be fine, okay?
You are late. Is the king awake? The king is already having his breakfast. He's going to roast me. I already made fire. I'm just waiting for his order. What are you going to eat me with? It's too cover. Let me rush. Greetings, my king. Greetings, my queen and my princess.
Ekene, you're late.
I'm sorry, my queen. There was so much traffic on the road, but I brought you the best of fruits.
Take it to the maidens, but next time I won't tolerate your lateness.
Okay, my queen.
And what about the pan when I asked you to bring me this morning?
My princess, what's wrong with my princess? My princess, are you okay?
I need that pan one immediately.
Get it from me. Are you alright?
You're old enough to challenge my method in this house, you should be old enough to get your own house. Rubbish. If you ever not dumb kid door is CM, I cannot feel free in my own house. Nonsense.
How will you? What's wrong with the princess?
What kind of stupid question is that?
She's not feeling fine.
Are you asking me? Why didn't you ask her? Do I look like her? Is she me? Am I her? If Rota come, I can't do melanin popping. See, take your time.
When will you ever be polite in your approach to people?
And you, Ekene? When will you ever look into my eyes and see the things that you're missing?
No. Let me go and fetch the king's palm wine.
Hey, just go. Go. Don't show your ugly face here again. Asking stupid and irrelevant questions. After all, when I got about the princess, it is you that will ask of the princess.
I'll be carrying out some blood tests on her, Your Majesty. But before then, I'll have to administer some drugs that will make her feel comfortable until her results comes out.
Yes, doctor. But please, do whatever you can to help that my daughter. She's our only child. Please.
You don't have to worry, Your Majesty. Well, the drugs to be administered are not within my possession. I will have to go back to the hospital and get it right away.
Doctor, instead of going back to the hospital, why not write it down? We have medicines in the palace we can send to the pharmacy to help us get the drugs.
Exactly.
Please, they will be faster.
Now, peek. Hello?
Who is this? He left without his phone. And please do not call this line again because I have seized the phone. Nonsense. I bought this phone with my money. So I am taking what rightfully belongs to me.
Mama, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Our destiny are different. Our destiny are different.
Come in.
My princess. I took the liberty of bringing it to your notice before telling your parents. But it's obvious you already know what I'm about to say. So would you prefer breaking it to your parents or...
I'll tell them.
Why are you so worried? Oh, you look so worried. Why are you so sad?
Is it about the test result?
I don't have typhoid.
Okay.
Thank God.
I just have malaria.
Oh.
That one is easy now.
In that case now, let's get her some malaria drugs.
Yes, I'll send them immediately.
I mean, is that why you are so sad? You look so worried. Malaria is a very common sickness.
It's a common thing.
Dad, there's something else.
What?
What else?
What?
You're breathing. Speak now. Which one is I? What, are you catching cold? Or you're Latori? Speak out now.
Speak to me, darling. Come on. Come on.
I what?
I'm pregnant.
What? You what? You say? Ha!
No.
Hey!
You are not serious.
Oh! You are gonna.
Ekene mwamuwake Ijuwa Ekene mwamuwake Ijuwa He no get anything Nakabon village local boy Fine boy with that money Nakabon village local boy Son of a hunter Nakabon village what I like Ekene na my love Nakabon village local boy I like him like that, you know that Nakabon village local boy na my love Na love Ekene na be my fault
Maki, you have to calm down. Remember your heart condition. Calm down.
I should calm down.
Please.
When your daughter has brought me this monumental disgrace and embarrassment.
So she's now my daughter. No longer yours, right?
No daughter of mine. No daughter of mine will bring this kind of disgrace and disrepute to me. No daughter of mine will do that.
Dad, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Will you shut up your mouth? What I am expecting to hear from you right now is the name of the idiot that got you pregnant. What is the name?
Your Highness, you're shouting. Our neighbors will hear your voice and know what you're saying. Just calm.
Let them hear! Let them hear that my daughter has brought me this kind of monumental disgrace. Let them hear it. How will the villagers see us now? How will they see us? We're supposed to be their role models as parents. And look at what our daughter has done to us. Reducing our ego to nothing with what she did.
Dad, I'm sorry.
One more sorry from you, I'll forget that I'm your father and disgrace you here. Tell me what I want to hear.
Tell us who got you pregnant, my friend. What is the name of the man that got you pregnant?
Who else if not the fine Bobo will have in this palace now? Who else if not Ekene? I warned him. I warned him. I told him that all this pium with the princess will ruin his stay in this palace. Then you go. He knows go for inside the princess belly.
Please, Angole.
What a shame. As for me, Angoleka, I am going to stay in this palace and see the grave punishment he will suffer for that rubbish that he did. Oh God, I thank you. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Is this jealousy speaking through your words? Yes.
What's up, Mama? It's not again. What nonsense are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Angole,
okay.
You and I know that you have your eyes on Ekene. And Ekene in question is not even interested in you.
Mo
so because rest.
Madam, make you pronounce again. Shut up your dirty mouth if you don't know what to say. Everybody knows that Ekene wants me. It is me he wants now. It is me he wants. It's just that stupid princess named Pierre to area Kijinike all the time. Now she don't carry belly. Oh, but go. He don't end. I'm so happy. Can't you tell me more cheese? Cheese plenty. I don't bring more cheese for now. Oh my God, I love.
What is wrong with this girl? Imagine. Don't mind her, he's just jealous.
She's even happy in this kind of situation. What kind of person is she?
Where is he? Where is he? Where is that fool? Where is that son of nobody?
Pardon, my king. Who are you referring to?
Ekene, of course. Where is that idiot?
My king, you asked him to get palm wine for you.
Search for him. Search and get him for me immediately. He must get punished for bringing this high level of shame and disrepute to me. Get him immediately for me.
sorry. I'm so sorry, please.
Honestly, I thought you were intelligent. What is wrong with you? So of all the men that came to show interest in you, the person you chose is the son of a hunter.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mommy. I'm sorry.
I should have stopped this relationship. I should have stopped it when I saw it coming. But I allowed it because I thought you were as wise as your mother. I thought you were intelligent.
Mommy,
look at what it has cost us.
Mommy, I love Ekene. I love you.
Will you shut up? Don't allow your father to hear this. Because I don't know what he would do to you if he hears this nonsense you're saying. Don't ever say that again. Have you lost your senses? Are you not?
Where are you going? What kind of question is that? You saw me holding palm wine and you're asking me where I'm going. I'm obviously going to deliver palm wine in the palace.
You're in a very big trouble now. Like, you're in on
what happened?
Listen, if you had gotten to that palace, the king would have killed you.
What did I do, Kwano?
I don't know what you did to the princess, but the king is very upset and angry with you. And he asked me to arrest you. What did you do to the princess, Ekene?
My God, I'm in trouble. The king is going to kill me. Please don't take me to him. He's going to kill me.
Okay. But you have to forget about the 20,000 naira I'm owing you.
Why, Kwano?
Listen, you have 5 minutes to get back to the house and pack your things and leave. Else if the king set his eyes on you, you're a dead man.
Mama! Mama!
Why are you shouting?
Mama, what are my bags doing outside?
Why are you shouting? I have told you to stop calling me Mama. It makes me feel older than my age. What happens to Ojugo and Awaloeze? Omoma Awaro. I am Otutu. Oputa Obie. Onubaje boys.
Mama, what are my bags doing outside?
Exactly where it's supposed to be. This is my house. You are old enough to have yours, so leave.
Mama, you have the minds to throw my things outside.
And what are you going to do about it? Beat me? Beat me!
Anyway, I don't have time for this. I need to leave here now because I'm in a mess.
Perfect timing! Perfect time! Leave! Leave, let me rest.
You stole my money, you thief.
Who are you? Do I know you? What are you talking about?
Suddenly, you are saying, do you know me? After sleeping with me, you stole from my wallet.
Me?
Give me my money.
I don't know this man.
Give me my money.
I don't know him.
Give me my money. So you connive with your mother to swindle me. Hey! Mama! Sorry.
Mama, did you enjoy? Hey! Get away this man, no!
My king, I couldn't find him.
What do you mean you can't find him?
My king, I went to the market where they usually sell palm wine, but I couldn't find him.
Did you go to his house?
No, my king.
Then why are you here? Why are you here? Go to his house. Get that fool for me. Get him. Go along with other guards in case he tries to escape.
Yes, my king.
Go immediately.
You have some money in the house. Let's use it and take it to the hospital.
Must you use my money? Eh? Can't you use some money and take me to hospital? Must I always bring my money?
But Mama, you know I don't have any money.
When will you ever have? Every time you want it, when will you ever have? I'm sure when I die, you will not come and ask me for money to buy caskets. Bring money and take me to hospital.
Mama, let me take you to the hospital. You are bleeding. This is not good.
I'm not going to bring your money. Take me to hospital. If you cannot provide, let's stay like that.
Mama, let me take you to you. I come out of here.
Let me die.
What do you mean when they go up? Not when you bring you. When you have money in this house, why are you holding it?
I don't hold any money. There's no money. There's no money since you cannot do it.
Let me take.
Hey.
What is it? I thought we had an agreement.
I would say the same to you. But what are you doing here?
My mother is injured. I want to take her to the hospital.
Ekene, what have you done? What have you done, Ekene?
Well, the king demands your presence. And as it stands now, there is nothing I can do.
Can't you see my mother is injured? She's even bleeding. Let me take her to the hospital.
Ekene, what have you done? What have you done? Eh?
Mama, don't worry. Come, let me take you to the hospital first. Maybe they will legal.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll take her to the hospital.
Eh?
But you must follow my men. The king awaits you. And you can't keep the king waiting.
You will take her to the hospital.
Yes, I will.
Ekene, what have you done?
Take him.
Ekene, what have you done? Ekene, what have you done, oh?
Mama Cambia.
What has Ekene done? Huh? What has he done? What has my son done?
If you must know, your son impregnated the princess.
Are you sure?
Yes.
My son impregnated the princess. This is good news. I've always known that my son is a smart boy. He took after me. He has proven himself to be a man. He took after the mother, like son. His father was a dullard. That was why he died as a poor man. This is good news.
Now that you know, can I take you to the hospital?
You want to take me to hospital?
Yes. Let me take you to the hospital.
Why not give me the money? Let me take myself there.
It's okay, I can take you to the hospital.
No. Is it no money you will pay there? Give me the money. Let me take myself there while you go continue with what you're doing in the palace.
I can see you're not ready to be treated.
I am ready. Ngwayezem half. Chidi, come and give me half of the money now.
I came as soon as you called. Oh no. Ewa tami gunisi. Akwana sinke mogadi iche. Manena nke madigo iche. My daughter has brought monumental shame and disrepute to me.
The princess? May the gods forbid. What did she do?
Oh no. I don't even know how to say it. No, I don't know how to say this.
My king, I understand. But please, confide in me. What did she do? There's nothing at all. This eye will see that will make it bleed blood.
No. Chai. Other princesses bring joy and happiness to their parents. Mine has brought shame and disgrace to me.
My king, what did the princess do?
Is he here?
I don't understand.
Is Ekene here?
Yeah, I don't care.
What?
Anyways, I came to inform you that your food has been served. That's all.
Anwulika, what did you just say to me?
Please, I have to go now. Excuse me.
Anwulika! Anwulika! What gods? Did she just...
Please don't do this. I promise you, I will not come back here again if you let me go, please.
Again, I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do. I can't go against the king's order. I'm sorry. No, I can't.
Remember you promised me you were going to take my mother to the hospital. Can you feature one come here?
That woman is not serious. I tried to help her, but she asked me to give her the money instead.
Mother, I don't like the way she spoke to me. Who the hell is she? What gave her such guts to speak to me?
You're asking what gave her the gut after what you did?
Mother,
really?
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that you have lost your respect. How do you expect them to respect you after what you did? What's that? What's going on?
Hey! Didi! Dad!
Hello. Again. Didi! Where's the new blessing? Princess.
My love.
Princess, I told you this plan would not work, but you insisted. Now I'm going to be killed.
Listen, I will protect you. Nothing will happen to you.
How can you protect me when we have turned the palace upside down and the king has been rushed to the hospital?
Listen, he will be fine. He will be fine.
How do you know that? What if he doesn't make it?
Come on. You can't wish the worst for my father yet. Let's be hopeful that he comes out soon. Please.
Please, I beg you, you're going to get rid of this pregnancy. Please.
I will do no such thing. How would you even say that?
How can you say you would do no such thing when we have turned everywhere upside down, everywhere have scattered? They have taken him to the hospital, I will die. Let us save ourselves this embarrassment now.
You die, I will not.
Let's go.
To where? Where are you taking him to?
It's the king's order. Now let's go.
No, say you say you protect me now. I'm going to go now. My princess, don't let them take me. My princess. Wait.
I actually won't be surprised if the king dies from this heartbreak.
May the gods forbid you. What is wrong with you?
Could you even wish the king death?
What are you talking about? Chileme, if it is you who received such a sad news, tell me, won't you break your heart? We are talking about a king who brags to other kings about his daughter being the noblest of all the princesses. But look at it. She brought shame to a whole royal family.
Angole, why are you talking like this? Don't see anything wrong with that. People do make mistakes.
It's not a mistake.
No, there's nothing like mistake here. Everybody knows that the princess genuinely loves Ekene. I'm only just being jealous. We know that.
How dare you speak to me in that manner? Have you lost your mind? Is something wrong with you, Echineme? Are you okay? Have you lost some respect? Sorry. Let this never happen again. As far as this palace is concerned, I am the chief maid. And I am superior to all of you. Mange. Even the princess herself has lost the right to talk to me anyhow. Yes, from the day that she opened her legs wide open for the son of an ordinary hunter, she cannot speak to me anyhow, not to talk of you. Achako the fish.
She right. That's her business. She's just being jealous. Don't mind her. Cheers. There's no mind her.
How much did you give him? 1,000 for what? Now? It's not supposed to be 500.
Which one is for what? The one that bought fuel for him. See your drugs, I beg.
Okay. I know how to take it. You don't need to tell me. Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver.
The doctor said you almost lost your eyes.
Is it not that stupid man or farmer? He will pay for this. I don't have to.
So bad, huh? My money is 25,700 plus the 1,000 I gave to the KKO.
I don't understand.
What is it you don't understand? That's the money I paid the doctor before he was able to treat you. Oh, you thought it was free, right? Each of them for the Christmas.
Ojugo, how can you pay such an amount for just this wound? This thing I'll use bitter leaf water and touch and it will dry up. You
heard the doctor. He said you almost lost your eyes.
But I did not lose my eyes. Nothing happened to me. They just told you, now gave them the money. I don't know what you're saying, though.
Adanna, you don't know what I'm saying, right? Listen to me. Because I know you very well. You know how to discredit someone's efforts. First, you slept with my husband. I still forgive you and saved your eyes. I saved your life, Adanna. Please, all I need is my money. Go inside there and get my money.
Which money?
The money I paid for your hospital bill.
Ojugo, I was in pain and you were passing by. You decided to come and help me. And I told you I wanted to go to the chemist shop. You decided on your own to take me to the hospital. Makana Manejiro Mego Hospital. Now you're coming back to ask me for money. You took yourself there, so sort yourself.
Adanna. Don't let me take action that you will not like. Please go inside and get my money. Go inside and get my money now.
If you have the key, go and open the door.
I should open it. Go and break it. I
have my key.
Adanna, come and open this door, Adanna. Okay. Come and open this door. Adanna. Want me to break this door?
What's going on in the palace? I can hear people wailing. I hope it's not what I'm thinking because my heart is beating fast.
Then your heart will stop pounding very soon. Yes, it will stop beating when your head departs your body.
What are you talking about?
The king is dead. The king is dead all because of you. The king is dead. You brought this tragedy upon us. You brought this tragedy upon the people, and you must suffer.
This is because of me. Oh God. God, what kind of faith do I have? What is this, God?
Go away. Leave that door. I said I don't want to see anybody. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What are you girls doing? Crying. You are here crying. But I already told you people that the king will not survive it, so I'm not even surprised. At all.
Angole, can you just have a little empathy? It's the king we're talking about here, and then you're talking rubbish.
His wife and daughter are currently devastated. This is all you have to say.
Devastated. So you devastated.
But as far as I am concerned, the princess killed her father. Yes! She killed that poor man the moment she refused to let go of Ekene for me. So she should be made to face the consequences of her actions. Alongside that Nkwi that committed the crime with her. Yes!
Please, can you just get out of this place? Leave us alone. Let us want the king in peace. What is wrong with you?
Don't even dare in this your life, and you don't even try to shut me up. Do you know who you're talking to? You're talking to the chief maid. If you don't know, don't try it next time. I want money again. Don't try it. By the way, I gave you girls tax in the morning to do. Have you done it? Have you done it? You better stand up from there and go and do the tax. You're here crying for somebody you don't know. When people die in your village, you cry like this. You, I know when your father died. Did you cry like this? You're here crying for somebody you don't know. Go and finish up that tax before I come back.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Our destiny are different. Our destiny are different.
Hey, Angole, how is the princess and how is she taking the death of her father?
Did you just ask me that? I forced somebody there. You know? I fought tetracycline in Ghana Mangota Goto no wa Manozo Sawaga. Even go the man. No, now you plan to kill the king and take over the throne and succeed the robbery.
How can you say a thing like that? You know I will never think evil for the king.
You gotta tell that to your conscience. Okay. I cannot wait to see them burn you in this palace. Eyeball to eyeball. Yes! No, you think you can kill the king and go scot-free? Lie. You will suffer. I got down.
Angole, why do you hate me this much? What did I ever do to you that you despise me like this?
Thunder fire you. Thunder bogi there. What have you not done to me? What did you not do to me? He didn't know be no body into pieces. But I
told you I don't love you. I don't have any feelings towards you. It's simple to understand.
Who even love you? Think me I love you? No, they come on like you. I don't love one bit like this. I don't love you. No call the gold digger. You want to come and repay the nurse? Hey, you will suffer. I cannot wait to see you suffer in this palace. Do it! I speak to you. Do it!
Kill the temptation put this thing. How do you want to this girl at this palace? Or you will shine in your Congo? I told me shine in your Congo. Over you. Did you Congo? Bully Agaba, Marapomaka.
You can't tell me that none of you knew that my daughter was dating that nobody. You can't tell me none of you knew about that relationship.
My queen, the princess always restricts us from entering her room unless she wants to take her bath.
My queen, even her bath, she doesn't even allow us to assist her. But the errand boy is always running around in her room doing one thing or the other for her.
And none of you didn't fit to tell me about it.
My queen, we told Angole the chief maiden.
Angole what?
Yes, my queen. But you know the princess doesn't listen to me. And she only shut me out and really allows me into her room. So...
And you didn't tell me about this?
My queen, I don't want it to look like I am jealous or something. That's why I don't want to... So,
It should not end like this.
Sorry, my friend.
What is wrong with you? Why are you rejoicing? You are so jealous.
My sister. Yes, so I know I'm jealous. But right now, wahala don't land for my contender head like Tipa Buaja.
And who is your contender? The princess?
I went to the Igwe to report about you, only to find out that Igwe is dead.
What's this?
What?
The king is dead?
Yes, he is dead. I also heard that your son was incarcerated for impregnating the princess, which led to the death of the Igwe.
Ojegwe. When has it become a crime for one to have sex? My son is an adult. The princess is an adult too. My son did not rape her. It's a consented affair. In fact, let me go there.
You're not going anywhere. I brought this officer.
What is all this now?
I brought this officer to arrest you.
Arrest me? For what?
For my money. You don't want to pay me, right? You go to the station, then you pay. Nah. Officer, I don't want to teach you your job. Do your job.
Stop this now.
Stop
Madam.
What?
Madam, you are under arrest. You are coming with us.
She's my friend. We can solve this.
I am not your friend though. I am not your friend. Officer, do your job.
I said move it.
Force her. Push her.
Don't allow me to apply force on you. I said
Madam, go, move.
Please, my queen, you have to take it easy. His death is so sudden and a shocking one. I've already given orders to the town crier to make it known publicly. And very soon the council of elders will be here. By the way, where is the princess?
I don't know. She should be inside or somewhere in.
Please, both of you need to stay together at this point in time. This is the time you need yourself mostly. I know she disappointed you, but still you are better. Please.
I brought food for you.
Thank you very much. What about the princess?
She has refused to come outside since the news of her father's death.
Meaning she has not eaten?
She has not eaten.
Then I cannot eat now. I can't eat when the princess has not eaten.
No, Ekene. Ekene, you need to eat. I understand your love and care for the princess. But at this point, you need to eat. You need strength for the challenges or the punishment ahead of you. Yes. Trust me, I'm not happy about what happened. I love you and the princess being together. You people are a perfect match. But I did not expect you taking that relationship to the next level, like you did.
She asked for it. I refused to, but she insisted. I kicked against it, but she would not hear.
It's okay. It's okay, I understand. But you need to eat. I believe that the gods will take care of this situation for you.
I cannot eat when the princess
You need to eat. You need strength. You are important too. You need to eat.
Jigodu, go and knock on her door first now.
Eat first. The challenges is still in front though. You have a lot of punishment. So eat. You need strength. Because you didn't know.
What is it? What is going on? What is it? What is it? Sweetheart, what happened to her?
I don't know. I heard her scream. I quickly came to call you.
What's her father's food?
It wasn't me, my queen. It wasn't me. My hands are clean. Oluchi.
Help me.
Ma?
Help me. Call the doctor! Yes! Call the gas! 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 Gas!
She'll be fine.
Yes, she'll be fine. She suffered a psychological stress, and that exactly was why she passed out. But the doctor says she'll be fine.
So she'll be fine?
My queen, she will be okay. The doctor has administered some drugs for her. All she needs now is to rest.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Just take good care of her. I'll be on my way.
Thank you, no. Thank you. Are you okay?
He called me to discuss the abomination that happened in the palace. We were still in the discussion before he passed out.
Jay! Arrow, man! You go for dinner. A good man is now dead. Hey! A great Iroko tree has fallen. If I should utter a curse, I would say, death, it shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you. But let me keep my mouth shut. Not just with death, but the one that caused the death. Come to think of it. Oh no. What abomination happened in the palace? Yeah. Because you mentioned abomination.
The princess was impregnated by the palace island boy.
Impregnated. So the princess has defied her virginity. Of all the young, able, rich men in this kingdom, it is the son of a hunter and a prostitute that she saw. Hi.
Well, that is so disheartening. A big slap to the palace. But that's exactly what happened. That's what made the king to become. The king was about deciding his fate before he died.
So our king died of heartbreak. That one must shut. You must pay for this.
The elders are all seated, deciding on what to do to that spoiled goat that got you pregnant.
Mother, not even a strand of his hair must be touched.
Why?
Because I love him. I I love him, Mother. I was the one that seduced him into doing what he did.
Really?
Yes. And I did that because I'm so much in love with him. Even when he refused, I insisted. Mother, I love him.
Will you stop this nonsense? Can you stop talking already?
Why? Because I've refused to open my leg for some spoiled prince. Huh? Mother, I love him and nothing must happen to him, and I mean it. Where are you going to? Mother, nothing must happen to Ekene. Else I will kill myself. Nothing must happen to him. I love him. Mother, I've said my own. I'm serious. I'm not even joking. I will kill myself. You will lose me. You will lose me. Nothing must happen. Nothing must happen to him.
My queen, the elders are proposing banishment.
That is too soft. Too mild. I was expecting incarceration. Not something as simple as that.
But I don't think your daughter would like that.
I don't care what she likes. She brought this problem upon this family. Tell your elders to look for something worse than what they just mentioned.
My queen, I think what we should concentrate most of is how to bury our late king. Then after that, we will visit your decisions. I think I have to be on my way.
See ya, baby. And where we go, we man, where I am, our destiny are different. We man, where I am, our destiny are different. We man, where I am, our destiny are different. We man, where I am, our destiny are different. The devil has taken over you, Mama. Yeah. Why do you allow yourself to be deceived by the things of this world? No more getting people's on my boala. No more greediness is a sin. Madam, the evil has taken over you.